Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make waterfall showpiece in a very simple way. So let's start the video. And here are some ingredients we need to make this showpiece. I took this glue gun, some extra glue sticks, a piece of cardboard, and I cut it into a circular shape, a small pot, some black stone chips, and here are some colored stone chips. We are going to need two colors, one is sky color and one is brown color. And for decoration, here I am using some false plants, flowers and birds. That's it. So let's start the process. First thing you have to do is color the cardboard. And here I am using this sky color. And now we are going to color the pot by using this brown color.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
And after coloring the pot, here I am using borolene. You may use any type of cream for making this next process very easy. I took some amount of borolene and blended it onto my table. And now I am going to make the fake water by using the glue gun. You have to do this in this process. I didn't added a clip here. You have to take off this by using any sharp object carefully. Don't break it. Then took the colored cardboard. Again took the glue gun and do this like this. Here we are making the pond. Now we have to add the black stone chips. Stick it by the help of the glue gun. Now our base is completely ready. We have to stick the pot now. Again I am gonna use the glue gun here. Stick it carefully. Now I am adding the fake water here. Always make this fake water a little bit long and add it, then cut it in the size you want. Now add those scrubs. I added a little bird here, some colored stones, and the final look is here. If you guys enjoyed our video, share it among your friends, hit the like button, do comment and subscribe our channel for more videos.